wonderful enough. I don't know if you're married, but you're about to be separated. There we go. All right. So, I know. So you're going to hop up on the table. Wait. Yeah. Well, the school gave it to me, so. We have believe in magic. We need all the magic we can get. There's a pillow for your head there. There you go. All right. Now, here's a picture of our last victim. I mean, volunteer. Boys and girls, now put your hands out like if you like your fingers. This will keep your halves together. Whatever you do here, we'll angle her this way a little. Going for a ride. Whatever you do, don't try this at home. Do it at your friend's house when their parents are out. But don't do it to your sister. I did it to my sister when I was younger, and I now have 2 half-sisters. Don't be alarmed. Only 3 people have died since we've been doing this. Attempting it tonight for the 4th time. Should we do it? One, two, whoa! Whoa! The door has passed. Oh my goodness! The saw has passed through her body. Has she survived the procedure? It appears she has! We have the incredible